Hello students, good morning. Now this is your social study period. Students, today we are going to learn question answers from the chapter Industries in India. Students, in our last class we have completed exercises. Only one word question answer is left that we will do after this. So let us start learning question and answer. Question 1. What is an industry? Answer. Industry refers to the production of economic goods or services with the help of machines, power and other resources. Okay? Repeat the answer. Industry refers to the production of economic goods or services with the help of machines, power and other resources. Right answer, very simple. Okay. Question number 2. Name the three main types of industries in India. There are three main types of industry that you have to write. Three main types of industries in India are cottage industry. Write first cottage industry, second small scale industry, third large scale industries. Okay, repeat it. Three main types of industries in India are first cottage industries, second small scale industries and third large scale industries. Question number 3. Where is the iron and steel industry located in India? Answer. Iron and steel industries in India are located in Jamshedpur, Bokaro. In bracket you will write Jharkhand. These two places are from Jharkhand. Durgapur, West Bengal. Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. Bhadravati, Karnataka. Salem, Tamil Nadu, etc. Okay, all these are iron and steel industries in India. Now question number 4. Which industry is the largest and oldest in India? Which industries are largest and oldest in India? Do you know? It is textile industry. Okay, so write the answer. Textile industry is the largest and oldest industry in India. Okay. So students, what is the answer of question 4? Which industry is the largest and oldest in India? Answer, textile industry. Textile industry is the largest and oldest industry in India. Question number 5. Describe the textile industry in India. This is long type question. Okay. So the cotton industry, the cotton textile industry is mainly located in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, West Bengal, etc. Okay, it is the largest and oldest industry in India. This much. Two sentences you have to complete. Now question number, that is C1. What are the factors of production? C1. So the answer is, major factors of production are availability of capital, raw material, machineries, power, skilled labor, and good transportation. And one more thing, market. Market is also the factor. Okay, so read it again. What are the factors of production? The major factors of production are availability of capital, that is raw materials, machineries, power, skilled labor, good transportation, and market. Okay. Next, differentiate between a large scale and a small scale industry, giving suitable examples. Small scale industry require less capital, less power and manpower, less power and manpower, etc. Production of electrical goods, or you can say equipment, hosiery goods, plastic goods, TV and radio are such industries. Whereas large scale industries, on the other hand, require huge capital, machineries, more power and skilled labor, iron and steel, automobile, shipbuilding, then cement, etc. are such industries. Okay, read it again. Differentiate between a large and a small scale industry, giving suitable example. So you have to differentiate it. Differentiate between a large scale and a small scale industries. Small scale industries require less capital, less power and less manpower, etc. Production of electrical equipments, okay, hosiery goods, plastic goods, TV and radio are such industries. Whereas large scale industries, on the other hand, require huge capital, machineries, more power, skilled labor, etc. Iron and steel, automobile, iron and steel, automobile, shipbuilding, cement, etc. are such industries. So this is also a long type questions. Mark it. This is also a long type questions. And one more extra questions. It can be asked, what is intensive subsistence farming? Okay, primitive subsistence farming. What is commercial farming? This can be also asked. So that you will read from the book, from the chapter. And for sample question I am giving you, what is intensive subsistence farming? Intensive subsistence farming is labor intensive farming. Where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for maintaining higher production. This is the main thing. That is used for the intensive subsistence farming. Okay, so what are this? Read it again. Intensive subsistence farming is labor intensive farming where high doses of biochemical inputs, okay, and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. So these are the 5 questions. One hot question is there. A person living in a village is skilled in making handicrafts. What type of industry can he establish? First, try to understand the question. What is given and what it is asking. Okay? A person living in a village, that means the person is villager, is skilled in making handicrafts. So another point is handicrafts related to, and this village and handicrafts are related to cottage industry, right? So your answer will be here the person is skilled in making handicrafts who is living in village can establish cottage industry. This person, cottage industry, okay, this person will not have to invest much capital and also in transportation. Okay, so he can establish cottage industry, right? So these are the questions from the this chapter. You will first read the chapter, then learn the question answers, write it, and then memorize. Okay, this is important chapter, and all the question answers are also important. So students, this is what for today. The class ends here. Goodbye.